Tired of that little spinning wheel that means your AT&T fiber internet is down? Let's get you back online fast. First things first, the Classic Reboot unplug the power cords from both your AT&T fiber modem and your router. Wait about 30 seconds. Then plug the modem back in. First, give it a minute or two to fully power up. Once the modem lights look stable, plug your router back in and let it boot up completely. Next, let's check those lights on your modem. Look for the power, POTS. If applicable, internet, and broadband lights. They should ideally be solid green. A blinking internet or broadband light often indicates a signal issue on your router. The Wi-Fi lights should be on, and the internet light should be solid, usually green or blue, indicating a connection to the modem. Now, let's examine your connections. Make sure the Ethernet cable connecting your AT&T fiber modem to your router is securely plugged in at both ends. It should click into place also. Check any coaxial or fiber optic cables going into your modem to ensure they are snug. If your issue is with Wi-Fi specifically, try repositioning your router. Obstructions like thick walls, metal objects, and even other electronics can interfere with the signal. Place your router in a central, open location for the best coverage. To see if the problem is with a single device, try connecting to the internet with other devices in your home. If only one device is having trouble, the issue might be with that specific gadget. Try restarting it or resetting its network settings. Still no luck? It's time to check for local outages. Visit the AT&T website or use the AT&T app to see if there are any reported service interruptions in your area. This can save you a lot of troubleshooting time if the problem is on AT&T's end. If all else fails and there are no reported outages, it's time to contact AT&T support directly. They can check your line, diagnose more complex issues, and schedule a technician if necessary. Remember to have your account information handy when you call.